Hi dear learners, how are you? If you're interested in learning Persian consonant vowel combinations as well as words and sentences, I recommend watching this video. In the Persian language, all consonants are pronounced with the help of 6 short and long vowels. The letter B and other Persian letters are pronounced with 6 short and long vowels. The tables below illustrate this. The examples of these tables will be written in the future by fully learning the letters. Table 1. Combinations of letter B with vowels. The letter B with 6 short and long vowels. A, I, U, A, O, E. When the letter B and the short vowel A come together, they create the syllable ba, ba. When the letter B and the short vowel O come together, they create the syllable bo, bo. When the letter B and the short vowel A come together, they create the syllable be, be. The letter B and the long vowel A combine to create the syllable ba, ba. The letter B and the long vowel E combine to create the syllable B, B. The letter B and the long vowel U combine to create the syllable boo, boo. In the previous parts, we learned the consonants and vowels of the Persian language. This part will discuss the relationship between consonants and vowels. Finally, the outcome of this connection is the formation of coherent words and sentences. We have previously mentioned that the letter Aleph has two different forms, a big form and a small form. The letter B has also two forms, a big form and a small form. When you combine A and the letter B, it forms the word ab. Ab. That means water. Water. When you combine the letters B and A, it forms ba. Ba. Combining ba and ba creates the word baba. Baba. That means dad. Dad. Table 2. Combinations of letter nun with vowels. The letter nun with 6 short and long vowels. A, I, U, A, O, E. The letter nun and the short vowel A combine to form the syllable na, na. The letter nun and the short vowel O combine to form the syllable no, no. The letter nun and the short vowel A combine to form the syllable ne, ne. When the letter nun is combined with the long vowel A, the syllable na is formed, na. When the letter nun is combined with the long vowel E, the syllable ni is formed, ni. When the letter nun is combined with the long vowel U, the syllable nu is formed, nu. Table 3. Combinations of letter dal with vowels. The letter dal with 6 short and long vowels. A, I, U, A, O, E. When the letter dal and the short vowel A come together, they create the syllable da, da. When the letter dal and the short vowel O come together, they create the syllable do, do. When the letter dal and the short vowel A come together, they create the syllable de, de. The little dal and the long vowel A combined create the syllable da, da. The letter dal and the long vowel e combine to create the syllable d. D. The letter dal and the long vowel u combine to create the syllable do. Do. There are two forms for the letter nun, a big form and a small form, but the letter dal has only one form. Combining the letters nun and a and nun forms the word naan, which means bread. Combining the letters dal and a forms da. And combining da and the letter dal forms the word dad. That means gave. The combination of da and na results in the formation of a new word dana, which means wise. Please pay attention to these sentences. Baba nan dad. Baba nan dad. It means dad gave the bread. Baba ab dad. Baba ab dad. It means dad gave water. Please pay attention to these words. Bad. Transliteration bad. Meaning wind. Anan. Transliteration anan. Meaning day. Abad. Transliteration abad. Meaning flourishing. On. Transliteration on. Meaning that. Knob. Transliteration knob. Meaning pure. Aban. Transliteration Aban. Meaning the name of the month in Farsi, November in English. Nadad. Transliteration nadad. Meaning didn't give. Nadan. Transliteration nadan. Meaning ignorant. Table 4. Combinations of letter re with vowels. The letter re with 6 short and long vowels. A, I, U. A, O, E. When the letter re and the short vowel a come together, they create the syllable ra. Ra. When the letter re and the short vowel o come together, they create the syllable ro. Ro. When the letter re and the short vowel a come together, they create the syllable re. Re. The letter re and the long vowel a combine to form the syllable ra. Ra. The letter re and the long vowel e combine to form the syllable re. Re. The letter re and the long vowel u combine to form the syllable ru. Ru. The letter re has only one form. The combination of da and the letter re results in the formation of a new word dar, which means door and at. The combination of dar and ban results in the formation of a new word darban, which means doorman. Combining da and ra forms the word dara, which means boy's name and rich. Combining ba and ra and the letter nun forms the word baran, which means rain and girl's name. The initial short vowel a has two forms, a big form and a small form. Combining a, b and the letter re forms a new word abr, which means cloud. The combination of a, no and the letter re results in the new word anar, which means pomegranate. Combining ba, ra and dar forms a new word baradar, which means brother. The combination of da, ra and the letter de results in the word dorad, which means has and have. Please pay attention to these sentences. باران انار دارد. باران انار دارد, which means باران has a pomegranate. دارا انار ندارد. دارا انار ندارد, which means دارا doesn't have a pomegranate. بابا آرد دارد. بابا آرد دارد, which means that has flour.